Hello and welcome to MINDS MLM Software demonstration. My name is Hannah and I'll guide you through our platform. The goal today is to show you how to navigate MINDS and explore the features that can elevate your MLM business. MINDS MLM Software is specifically designed for MLM businesses. With offices in Portugal, Luxembourg, and Belgium, we've experienced exceptional growth since 2014, expanding our impact across the industry. Now, let me introduce our founder, David Acheta. He brings over 20 years of experience in the MLM sector, beginning his journey in the insurance industry. Together with his team, he created MINDS MLM Software, one of the most advanced management solutions for direct sales, affiliate, and network marketing, solidifying our position as a top leader in the European market. All right, before we jump into all the cool features, let's take a quick look at some key things you should know about the platform. First up, as you can see, MINDS is fully customizable. This means you can tweak everything to fit your brand, from the logos to the colors, making sure the platform feels like it's truly yours. Let's move on to the main experiences offered by the MINDS platform. First, there's the admin portal where business administrators have complete control over all operations. Next, we have the user portal, specifically designed for network distributors. Then, the mobile app. Our mobile app is super convenient, letting you manage your business on the go. So whether you're at home or out and about, you're always in control. Let's start exploring the platform. MINDS enables the management of multiple networks within a single platform. Just click on the top right corner, select the desired organization, and voila, you're inside another organization. This means if you want to start a new business in the future, you can easily add a new network, regardless of the activity type, commission plan, or country. Once we've selected an organization, we will delve into the user portal dashboard, focusing on the 6 key pillars of network marketing. Understanding your network is essential in the MLM industry. So let's start with the first pillar, the profile pillar. Inside the profile, you can explore the details of each distributor, including their skills, documents, and legal and financial information. Next up is the recruitment pillar, a key element for growing your network. There are 3 ways recruitment can happen. First, users can independently access the platform through Google campaigns, social media, or other channels. They can register on the platform, and once logged in, they can select their sponsor. Second, if you have someone specific in mind, simply enter their email. Select their preferred language and send an invitation. They will receive an email guiding them to complete their registration. Finally, each distributor can create their own personalized recruitment page, which they can share directly with others or via social media. Anyone who registers through this page is automatically assigned to the distributor as their sponsor. A distributor's primary role is to convert customers, leads, and referrals into new distributors, driving the overall growth of the network. To facilitate this, we have a powerful tool called Journeys. This feature automates the onboarding process for new recruits. On the dashboard, you'll find an example journey titled Become MINDS Distributor. Users must complete this journey, which includes filling out their profile information, signing the agreement electronically, purchasing a product, and attending a short course or presentation. You can even include quizzes to assess their understanding. Once all steps are completed and digital certificates are earned, individuals officially become distributors. The Journeys feature is crucial as it digitizes processes and automates tasks, simplifying recruitment. After events or campaigns, managing numerous new recruits can be overwhelming, but Journeys streamlines onboarding, enabling effortless network growth. As an admin, you can access the Members Report, a comprehensive overview of all users in your network. This report includes user types, user levels, a graph showing account creation dates, and the evolution of user types over time. Next is the collaboration pillar, which simplifies teamwork between admins and distributors. Our integrated chat system makes sharing news, messages, files quicker and easier. This fosters effective communication and collaboration within your network. Now, let's dive into the communication pillar. Staying connected with your network has never been easier. The dashboard provides two powerful options. First, we have the inbox. This important feature allows you to send messages to your distributors, whether it's event announcements, important updates, or even new product launches. Next, we have Drive. Inspired by Google Drive, this feature enables you to easily share files with your distributors, keeping all your information organized and accessible. Another key pillar is the Sales and Commissions pillar. As a distributor, in My Wallet tab you have immediate access to your commissions, personal sales, and detailed reports of your earnings over time. At the bottom of the page, you can also view a transaction list with full details of the generated commissions. Additionally, MINDS introduces the concept of wallets. Instead of traditional payouts, commissions can be transferred to a commission wallet. MINDS offers various wallet types, including commission wallets, virtual currency wallets, and coins. They can all be used in the shop. When purchasing a product, any available coins and coupons will automatically appear. Just select them and proceed with checkout as usual. Continuing with our shop, at MINDS we focused on developing a store that truly meets the unique needs of MLM businesses. Our catalog includes physical products, digital content like PDF and videos, workshops, services, licenses for network participation, and various subscription options. The shop also lets you quickly and easily order products for other users. Through the My Orders tab, simply select the user for whom you wish to make a purchase. Add the desired products to the cart. Choose a shipping provider and complete the order by clicking Place Order. There are also opportunities, an extension of the shop that allows users to manage opportunities on behalf of others. Through the My Opportunities tab, you start by naming the opportunity, selecting the user and the product, choosing the shipping provider, and finalizing by clicking Place Offer. The user will then receive an email to approve and sign the opportunity, and once signed, the order is generated automatically. MINDS offers a variety of payment options to facilitate transactions, including Stripe, bank transfers, cryptocurrency, and checks, ensuring a seamless payment experience for everyone involved. Training is another essential pillar for MLM businesses. At MINDS, we offer the Academy module to support distributors. In this module, users can access courses, training sessions, and journeys. Think of it as an internal Netflix for training. Before we finish the demonstration, let's highlight the challenges, which is designed to motivate users to increase sales and achieve specific goals. In this example, we have a challenge focused on credit card sales, where distributors can view their rankings, identify top performers, and track their progress. This helps leaders recognize who might need extra motivation and who is excelling, ultimately enhancing team performance. During our demonstration, we covered all the key pillars of direct selling: the profile pillar, recruitment, collaboration, communication, and the sales and commissions pillar. We explored the shop and wrapped up with the training pillar, highlighting the academy and the challenges. With MINDS, you have a complete 360 platform that meets all the needs of MLM businesses. Now it's time to start exploring it for yourself.